Hey there, I'm Chris Williams with the Go Getter team, and welcome back for another question session. Today's question is, I want to sell my property without going on the market and I want to do it fast. Do I need a real estate agent? Well, today there are a lot of options that are out there for everyone. You've seen a lot of the buy my home cash or quick maybe advertisements on the street. You've also seen a lot of internet ads that are popping up where people are making offers on your property. So the answer is do you need a real estate agent to sell your home fast and privately? And the answer to that is no. But let me tell you how a real estate agent can be of real benefit to you. Really, when you are selling through these different vendors who are offering cash in exchange for your home, they are, of course, looking to do so to their benefit. And they're usually looking to do so with a discount. Now, there are two levels of that. There are investors. If your property needs a lot of renovation, they're looking to pay 60, 50 cents on a dollar, which is going to be a steep discount for what you could probably get on the market. And then the other side is there's now corporate, what's called iBuyers or internet buyers, instant buyers, who are out there looking to purchase your property. It just so happens that a real estate agent is probably better to help usher you through the process and also negotiate to get you the most amount of money on your home. At Keller Williams, we have a great program called Keller Offers, where real estate agents actually assist you through the process by helping you get the best offer that's cash and that will close quickly, so you can move forward with your life and not have to deal with going on the market. If you have more questions about this, please comment below. We always look forward to hearing from you.